Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OPPO A80. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now click on open and then click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Then you can click on this button to start VPN and click allow. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.